Hi guys, this is Ganga here back with another video. What happens when women shave their face? So yeah, firstly, I'm shaving my face from the last 60 days. And when we talk about face shaving, there are a lot of questions that comes to our mind, right? Even I had similar questions like, what if I shave my face, my hair is going to grow thick, or it's going to grow faster like men, or my skin is going to get rough like men. So many questions even I had. So the answer is a big no. No, your face hair will not grow thick, or it will not grow faster, or your skin will never get rough like men. In fact, it's other way around. Your hair growth will reduce and your skin will get clear and soft in a period. Actually, it's my own experience. I was shit scared when I first shaved my face. I was just waiting and thinking, oh my god, my face is going to become like men. But I'm feeling, I'm so, I was so silly. Now I've made the best decision ever. In fact, all the TV celebrities, movie stars, every single one shave their face. Trust me, because it's very easy, quick, painless hair removal procedure, and you can shave your face anywhere. If you are having a photo shoot, or if you are going to attend a party, and if you don't have time, you don't have to think about going to a parlor. You can just take it and shave it. And that's the reason most of the celebrities love face shaving. So yeah guys, I'm shaving my forehead, upper lip, and side chin, and one or two hair here. All these places I used to do threading for almost more than 10 years. I'm doing threading, and I regret big time threading my face and wasting all the time in parlor, wasting all the money in parlor. So yeah, let's get into the video. So for face shaving, the dermatologists have got one fancy term, that is dermaplaning. You can just go Google about it. They do this procedure, that what we are doing at home using a very small tool. Okay, similar procedure. Okay, so by shaving your face is going to get clear, brighter. All the dead skin will get removed, and whatever the skincare products you're using will penetrate deep into your skin layer, because you're every time taking out the dead skin. That's why, have you ever wondered, the men who are shaving their face regularly, they used to have one bright, clear, skin. You should just have a close look at your men at home, guys. Trust me, the same thing we're going to get it. So don't ever worry about face shaving. Don't get scared. So it's very simple, guys. It's very similar like waxing and threading. So whenever you do waxing and threading, your hair growth will come back in 10 days or 15 days, right? Similarly, when you shave your face, also your face hair will come only after 10 days or 15 days. It's not going to be faster. So don't get confused. It's very simple, as I'm saying. So I shave my face once in 10 days or 15 days, and most of the time I'm staying at home, so it's not required for me to shave often. So whenever I see hair growth, I just wait for it to come out properly and I go shave my face. So now I'm going to show you the procedure step by step, how I shave my face. Okay, just follow it just like that. Don't experiment with your own thoughts, just follow it just like that. Okay, so yeah. Hey guys, so I don't have anything on my face, it's a plain face. So let's start the procedure. To shave my face, I'm going to use this kind of razor. Okay, so this comes with a secured cap like this, so you can put it on your handbag or in your purse. So whenever you're going to take it out, it's not going to hurt your hands, so it's safe, also hygienic. So this is from the brand called Avior, and they've got 3 razor inside this. Okay, and this is rupees 399. For 3 razors, 399 is really good, because I'm using this one razor from last 2 months. So yeah, I'll show you how to do it. So when you're going to do this, just wash your face and do it with patience. Okay, don't rush it. So yeah, so I am showing my face up close to you. So usually I do forehead threading. I used to do my upper lip threading. Sometimes I do my side chin area or this portion and all. I used to do threading. From last 2 months, I completely stopped threading. Only my eyebrows I'm doing threading, because I have very scanty eyebrows. I still want to do threading and get that shape. So that's the reason. So let's start it. So I'm going to do my forehead first. Just see, okay? Hold this razor slantly and just start doing it. Just look at that hair on the peach fuzz that is called as, dead skin that has come out from my face. Oh my god. So that's it. We are done with the face shaving. So simple and easy. If you start doing this, the first time itself you will fall in love with the result and the way your hair growth is decreasing. And I will promise and tell you, next time you will never go to your parlor lady and you will regret for doing threading all these years, guys. I did that. So I'm going to show you how to clean this now. So it's very simple. Take a cotton like this and just clean the blade. Even you can use a sanitizer, it's your wish. So yeah, then where is that cap? Okay, take the secured cap and close it. You're good to go. Suppose if you feel little bit dry or irritation, burning sensation, you can apply aloe vera gel or any moisturizer, just give a massage, or you can just wash it with the plain water and just chill. Okay, so that's it.